Today, I'm going to show you how to off auto-dubbed in YouTube. In this video, I'll explain how you can turn off auto-dubbing when you're watching YouTube videos and also how to disable auto-dubbing on your own YouTube channel if you're a creator. Let's start with viewers. If you're watching a YouTube video and it's playing in a dub language, there isn't a way to turn off auto-dubbing across all of YouTube at once. However, you can change it on individual videos. All you need to do is hover your mouse over the video and click on the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Then go to the audio track section and select original. This will switch the video back to the creator's original audio and language instead of the dubbed version. Now, for creators, if you don't want YouTube to automatically dub your videos, you can turn this off directly in YouTube Studio. To do this, click your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube. Then click on YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side, select Settings. Then go to Upload Defaults and choose Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see the Automatic Dubbing option. Here you can completely disable automatic dubbing on your channel by turning off Allow Automatic Dubbing. Alternatively, you can choose Review Dubs in all languages, which means you'll need to manually approve any dubbing before it's published. And that's how you off auto-dubbed in YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.